I want to thank the Makita Power Tool Company for the multi-function cordless power head, the chainsaw attachment, and the 2 extension sections. This will be an experiment. I maintain a property with a citrus orchard and several towering ornamental trees. Hiring crews to trim the trees costs thousands of dollars. I want to take over the maintenance of the trees with this Makita battery-powered chainsaw. The power head and chainsaw attachment are approximately 6 feet in length assembled. The extensions will add 4 feet each. If I can use this chainsaw with the 2 extensions, I can possibly cut the branches of the ornamental trees. For the ornamentals and the citrus grove, I want to chainsaw branches without moving a ladder for every cut. I want to remain on the ground, moving from tree to tree as I work. On this property, the orchard of orange and lemon trees produces far more fruit than I can eat, juice, or give away. In fact, many of the oranges and lemons are wasted. In trees 15 or more feet in height, I cannot harvest the fruit. The fruit withers on the branches or is consumed by the vermin from the alleys and parking lots of the ghetto. The other trees on the property, non-productive ornamental types, rise to heights beyond 30 to 40 feet. These trees may provide shade for the patio and the house, yet the height of the trees also present an extreme danger of falling in windstorms. My thought is this: why must the citrus trees grow above 10 feet? If I limit the height of the citrus trees to 10 feet, the trees may produce fewer oranges and lemons. However, I will harvest more and lose less to rot and rats. The citrus trees will require only 1 extension on the chainsaw. And the ornamental trees, if I maintain those trees at 10 to 12 to 15 feet and sculpt the branches to grow in the horizontal, the branches will continue to shade the patio and walkways, and the trees will present much less risk of wind damage to the roof. The high ornamental trees will require both extensions for the chainsaw. With both the citrus and the ornamental trees, I intend to cut the branches so as to go horizontal. With this style of cutting, I will actually harvest more fruit and I will minimize the risk of wind damage. In the future, perhaps I can sculpt the outspreading branches of the ornamental trees to shade the roof from the heat of the summer sun. For these several reasons, I am attempting this experiment. For the citrus trees, 1 extension makes a 10-foot chainsaw. For the ornamental trees, the 2 extensions make a 14-foot chainsaw. The customer service consultants at the Makita Corporation believed I could link multiple extensions, but did not recommend the assembly due to the weight. They do not believe most workers have the strength to work with such a long chainsaw. I believe I have the strength. When I sent the question out to the purchasers on Amazon, I received responses that they thought I could link the extensions, but the weight would be too much. I shall learn if the extensions will assemble and if I can operate the weight of the assembled chainsaw.